Do you want to activate the vibration effect on Flydigi Apex 2 or other Flydigi gamepads like this one? Here it's vibrating, so you can activate it while using Flydigi Game Center app. So if you want to know how to activate the vibration effect on Flydigi Apex 2 or other Flydigi gamepads using the Flydigi app, watch this video.
Get ready.
So to enable the vibration of the Flydigi app, open Flydigi app, go to more, go to vibration. So we need to enable the vibration. So you can add maximum of 3 buttons here. There will be 2 trigger mode, is press the trigger. So if you press the trigger, it will vibrate. The hold to trigger, if you press and hold the trigger, it will vibrate, and if you release the button, it will stop vibrating. So here's the intensity of the vibration. Adjust this to your liking, and the vibration duration, if you're using press the trigger, it will take effect. This is the duration of the vibration. But if you choose the hold to trigger, 0.01 seconds will do. So even if you max this to 2.55 seconds, it will work, but it's still the same. So I suggest that if you choose the hold trigger, set it to 0.01, and it will vibrate once you press and hold the button. So the vibration position, it's up to you if you want to both side, left side, right side. So let's add a button here. Usually I set the vibration to right trigger, but for this video I'll use the right button. Let's click add. Let's press the right button. See, so I chose the hold to trigger, so I set it to, so I chose the hold to trigger. Vibration intensity is 100%. The vibration duration is 0.01, and the vibration position is both sides. So click confirm, click apply, and let's test it. So if I press on the right trigger, hear that, and it's gone. I press again the right button, so you hear the vibration, right? And if I release, it stops. Let's go back again to the vibration duration, hold to trigger. So if we max this, confirm, and then save this, apply. Okay, if I press the right button, if I release, it's still the same. So I press again the right button, it vibrates, and if I release, it's still the same. So if you're using hold to trigger, it's okay if you set up like to 0.01 or you max this out. But if you choose the press to trigger here, the vibration duration is 0.01. Confirm, apply. That's it. If I press the right button once, nothing happens. So if you want the vibration to take effect for the press to trigger, make sure the vibration duration is at 0.05. to confirm, apply. So if we press once the right button, you'll feel the fast vibration. So let's change the vibration duration. Let's max this. We choose the press the trigger, confirm, apply. If we press once the right button, if we press once the right button, it will vibrate up to 2.55 seconds. So let's press the right button again. So it will vibrate for 2.55 seconds. So if we change it to 0.58 seconds, let's press the right button. So it will only vibrate for 0.58 seconds. So there you go for activating the vibration effect of Flydigi Apex 2 using Flydigi app or Flydigi Game Center app. So I think you can also do this to other Flydigi gamepads like Flydigi Vader 1, 2, 3, 4, Flydigi Apex 1, 3, and 4. So it's up to you on what buttons you would like to use the vibration. So if you're playing FPS game or first person shooting game like PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, Warzone Mobile, I suggest that you set the vibration on the right trigger. Or you can also set the vibration on your scope on your left trigger. So by default, the right trigger will be the shooting button or the fire button, and the left trigger is the scope. And also you can only use 3 buttons to set up vibration. So that's it. So that's it for this video. I hope that you learned something from this video. And if this video helps you and if you haven't subscribed, please to subscribe for more gaming tutorials just like this one, key mapping tutorials, do-it-yourself tutorials, reviews, and other contents. So that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.